plugin setup, and here's the page, and it's the simplest setup. You've dragged the plugin on, and there's nothing to set up in here. You just drag it onto the page, and I can see you've set these up correctly. On the start button, you do start, and on the stop button, you do stop. And then you've done this timer here. This just once will be an issue because it'll only do just once. So if you stop and start a few times, this will only ever fire once. So you probably want to do every time when it's true. But that's all fine. And then when I look at the backend workflows and the assembly token, this is get the token is fine, return the data is fine, so that's all completely fine. And then when I see the plugin setup, this is correct and this is correct. And I did this previously, had this version test on the end here, and that was wrong. So the one correction I've made is I've changed that to be the bubble app domain. What that means is it worked fine in dev, but it wouldn't work in production, in the live environment. So generally, and I've tested it out, and everything seems to work fine. So apart from that one config setup thing in the just setting the base domain for the live environment. So if I start, we start up, and we're processing. Are we processing? And we're processing. So it's processing, and then stopping stops. And you can obviously refine this UI to have a bit more feedback about stopping and starting and what's going on. But apart from that one setup thing, everything looked fine.